Hey everyone! Today I want to give you a brief overview of Chrome extensions. A Chrome extension is a small program that either modifies or enhances the functionality of your Chrome browser. Frequently, they show up over here to the right of your URL bar. There are occasions when that's not the case. So I'll just give you a quick example and then I'll show you how to manage, add, delete, extensions, and then a couple of words of caution about Chrome extensions. So as a quick example so that you understand what an extension might do, let's say I'm at the end of the day and I have a bunch of tabs open because I still am working on a couple of different projects, but it's time to go home. Now I don't necessarily want to close my computer and lose all these open tabs, but I gotta go. So one Chrome extension that I use on a daily basis is called OneTab. And when I click on this extension, its only function is to collapse all of my tabs and make them available for me on the next day. And I can do another video on OneTab if you want to learn more about some of the features and functions. But let's continue on. So let's say you learn about an extension that you're interested in, such as OneTab. In order to add an extension to your Chrome browser, you'll need to click on your app chooser over here on the left. If you don't see an app chooser here in your browser, you can really simply just go to Chrome/apps, or you can just search on Chrome Web Store. You may find that the web store is right here in your Chrome app list. If it's not, you can look down here in the lower right-hand corner and you can access the web store that way. There's lots of different ways to get to the Chrome web store, but I'll just click here. And then you would search for the extension that you are interested in. I'm going to search for something called Extensity. I'll be demonstrating that in a minute. So when you learn about an extension that you're interested in, and you search for it, you should see here the blue button that allows you to add that extension to your browser. I'm going to click Add, and sometimes you'll have to click on some kind of agreement that you're giving the extension certain access to your account. So now I've added the extension, and you'll notice that this icon for Extensity has been added to my collection of Chrome extensions. Now let's say you want to either add more extensions or you want to manage your extensions. Maybe you want to disable one of them, you don't like them anymore, you don't use them anymore. Traditionally, the way you would do that is by clicking here on the three dots. You'd go to More Tools and Extensions, and here is your list of extensions. You can enable and disable them, and you can even delete them if you think that the extensions are no longer useful or they might be causing some trouble. But I find that it's even easier by to manage your extensions by clicking on Extensity. And right from your browser, you can simply turn on or turn off, enable or disable certain extensions. Now the last thing I want to just advise you about are that you should kind of consider limiting the number of extensions that you have running at any given time, because it does make your browser run slower. And if you're experiencing a problem or a bug with your Chrome browser, you might be asked to turn off all your extensions, which again is a good reason to have Extensity here. Turn them off and test it again. And sometimes small browser issues are caused by an extension. You would need to turn off all your extensions, retest, and then turn them back on one at a time to see which extension might be causing trouble.